Hey, there today, we're diving into a Filipino classic that's super easy to whip up but tastes like a masterpiece. I'm talking about Sarciado. A beautiful blend of fried fish, rich tomato pak choy, and of course, our trusty egg. Now, before you think, oh, it's just another fish dish, hold up. Because not only is this recipe delicious, it's also a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's get cooking. Let's take a quick look at what we'll need for today's Sarciado adventure. Super simple ingredients. Your choice of fish. Today, I've got besugo. Tomatoes, garlic, onions, pak choy, basics, but oh so important. Eggs, because, you know, they make everything better. A dash of salt, pepper, fish sauce and water, and we're ready to roll. And these two, garlic and onion, are the dynamic duo. They're like the superheroes of the kitchen. Garlic helps boost your immune system, keeps your heart healthy, and even fights infections. Onions? They've got antioxidants to keep those nasty free radicals away, plus they add that irresistible flavor we love. Eggs. They're rich in protein, super versatile, and contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. It's like nature's perfect food in a shell. Tomatoes. These little red wonders are packed with lycopene, which is great for your heart and gives your skin that youthful glow. Who knew Sarciado was part of your beauty routine? And then we've got our fish. It's packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your brain sharp and your heart happy. Plus, it's a lighter option than red meat, so you can feel great about this meal. Step 1, we've got to fry our fish in the air fryer. Let's give the fish a sprinkle of salt. You know, my grandmother used to say that if your kitchen doesn't smell a bit like fried fish, are you even cooking? I kinda get it now. That crispy goodness is hard to resist. Fry these babies until they're golden brown and crispy on both sides. This should take around 30 minutes. Once they're done, set them aside on a plate with a paper towel to drain the oil. Crispy skin? Check. But we're not done yet. Alright, let's build that beautiful sauce. We're starting with a little oil in the pan, just enough to sauté. First up, onions. Sauté them until they're soft and translucent. Onions are like the best supporting actor, always there to make the lead flavors shine. Next, garlic. Let it cook until it's golden and fragrant. Seriously, is there anything better than the smell of garlic cooking in your kitchen? It's the food sense. Now for the star of our sauce, tomatoes. We'll cook these down until they're soft and jammy. This is where all the magic happens. Tomatoes are full of vitamins C and K, which are great for boosting your immune system and strengthening your bones. Once the tomatoes have softened and released their juices, add about a cup of water to thin it out a bit. Let this simmer for a few minutes, so the flavors can really come together. Trust me, this is the kind of sauce that hugs every bit of your fish in deliciousness. Now, the fun part, gently place your fried fish back into the sauce. Let it soak up all those flavors. Oh man, this is looking good already. Next up, eggs. Whisk them up just like you're making scrambled eggs. Pour the egg mixture over the fish and sauce in a circular motion. The eggs will start cooking and become part of this glorious dish. Eggs bring that perfect creamy texture to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. Cover it up for a minute to let everything come together. The sauce will thicken, the fish will get even more flavorful, and those eggs, oh boy, they're going to be silky and perfect. And there we have it. Look at that. The fish is perfectly cooked, the sauce is rich and savory, and the eggs are just the right amount of creamy. This is one of those dishes that feels like a hug in a bowl. The crispy fish, that bright tomato sauce, and the eggs, it's comfort food at its finest. Plus, you've got all these amazing health benefits on your plate without even thinking about it. This is a win-win, folks. So, there you go, Sarciado. Simple, healthy, and packed with flavor. You've got your protein from the fish and eggs, heart-boosting benefits from tomatoes and garlic, and all the comforting vibes you need after a long day. If you're looking for a dish that's easy, tasty, and good for you, this is it. Thanks for hanging out with me today in the kitchen. Don't forget to try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Stay healthy and subscribe for more inspiration, simple healthy recipes.